Hey, Jessie here. I'm thrilled you found this video because it means you're ready to learn more about VMG. And actually, it probably means you already have your box in front of you, or maybe you have one of these packets in front of you. And you're like, now what do I do, Jessie? I'm going to introduce you to your new 2-minute routine. Just remember this: rip, sip, and drip. So we're going to rip this open in a minute, and then we are going to blend it up, and we're going to drink it. So we're going to sip it, and then we're going to drip some oil in our hands. Specifically, I want you to do peppermint. Rub your hands together, take some deep breaths, rub the back of your neck, and go on with your day. This is your new 2-minute routine, and it's going to change your life. It's going to be great. Couple things I want to say before I actually blend this packet up. If you have been taking a good quality supplement like doTERRA's LLV, Lifelong Vitality, this transition to VMG is going to be pretty seamless for you. But if you haven't been taking LLV or a quality supplement, what I'm going to recommend that you do is maybe stretch this packet out over a couple days. Because of the bioavailability of what is in this packet, I don't want to overwhelm your system as you're introducing it to your system. So that's why, just to make it a good, smooth transition, split it over a couple days and then just listen to your body and see how you're feeling. But ultimately, the goal is going to be for you to take one of these packets a day. And it's going to replace 2 of the bottles in LLV, and it's going to replace your greens. So cool. So you're going to take this and 3 of the new doTERRA Omegas, and you don't need to take LLV anymore or doTERRA's greens. How cool, right? And it's going to be so many less pills, and it's going to be so fast and so easy, and you are going to feel incredible. With VMG, I have found I love taking it first thing in the morning. So when I wake up, I mix up and I take my MetaPower Advantage, which is our collagen and so much more. And then I use that same glass and I mix up my VMG, and my day is off to a great start. My husband, he actually likes mixing the Advantage and VMG together. Play around with it, see what you like best. There are some people that like taking the VMG at night because they've found that it helps them sleep. So I give you permission. Try it in the morning, try it in the afternoon, try it at night. Ultimately, as long as you're getting one of these packets in a day, remember I said ease into it if you're brand new to high quality supplements like VMG. As long as you're getting this packet in a day, you're gonna be doing good. But all of our bodies are different. So I like taking it first thing in the morning. One of the other things that I really love about VMG, I mean, there's a lot and the list just keeps growing. So our plan is to switch our whole family over to VMG. As of right now, it's me and my husband, and then we're gonna get our other 3 kids onto VMG as well. Now, we're not gonna give each of our kids a full packet. We're gonna give them, between the 3 of them, we're gonna split a packet. And I'm probably gonna add a little bit more water to spread it out. And our son, who's the oldest, he'll get a little bit more. But we've already been giving them sips and they love it. That's one of the things that when I first tried VMG, I was just blown away with the flavor, because the color, it's green. I was like, I don't know, it's green. The flavor is so pleasing. And everyone I talk to, we all feel similar, that it tastes good. It's not a super strong flavor, but it tastes good. And it's just so fast and so easy. Remember, 2-minute routine. Okay, so now here we go. We're gonna mix this up. What I do, I get a pint glass, I fill it halfway with water. On the instructions, they say to do 5 to 8 ounces of cold water. This is a 16-ounce glass. We got about 8 ounces in here. And then you need a blender. One of these, you push down the top. This is what I love using, this blender. You could also use a shaker. Okay, so remember, we're gonna rip it. And then, you can't see me, but I'm pouring it into the glass. All right. Make sure you get all of it out. Here we go. And then I'm gonna show you how I blend it up. See? And I blend it for a while because I like it a little bit frothier, but blend it up really good. And then sip. It tastes so good. So can you see there's just a little bit of the green left around it? Add a little bit more water, swirl it around. But now that you've done that, do you remember what the last step of our 2-minute routine was? Because we ripped, we sipped, and then we're going to drip. I grab my peppermint, rub your hands together, take some deep breaths, and then rub the back of your neck. And then go on with your day. If you have questions about VMG or any of the other doTERRA products or supplements, please reach out. I'd be honored to help you. If you don't have my contact information already, please look in the show notes. My contact information is there. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.